Hi, good afternoon. And I'm going to take you over this specially designed presentation which I've made for breast implants. And the whole idea of this presentation is that I give you a bird's eye view of what breast implant procedure is. And this should totally explain to you every question. And I think I should be able to solve at least 90% of all your questions today. So, so let's move on. I'm Dr. Amit. I'm founder director of Divine Cosmetic Surgery, and we are located out of Delhi and Gurgaon. We also operate in Mumbai. Moving ahead, now, what are the various ways of breast enlargement? One is breast implants, which is the most sure way of getting a good enlargement. The second is fat injections, and fat injection is done using your body fat. Third are fillers. Fillers are very temporary. In breast implant, the surgery is only done on the chest. In fat injection, the surgery involves removal of fat from the abdomen and injection of fat into the breast. Fillers just involves injection. Fillers are made out of hyaluronic acid gels, which only last 6 to 9 months. They don't have too much predictability of result and are only meant for temporary purposes, very expensive. Fat injection is done using fat from your butt or your abdomen, and it is injected into the breast. Initial size is large, but gradually over the next 3 months, less than 50% only remains. So it's little unpredictable, and for a large enlargement, you need to do more than one session. Breast implant is the most predictable. You can get a large size as well, single surgery, permanent if you choose the best quality implants, and they are for life. Now, a lot of patients, why do they trust us for their plastic surgery procedures? One, we've got large experience. Our doctors have international fellowships. I, for one, am trained in Brazil. Huge number of procedures we've done over the last 13 years. We like to call a spade a spade. If you are not a candidate for a procedure, we will tell you that you are not a candidate. So that is the great thing that we want to do, is that we want to tell everyone what is the real fact. 3D, we are going to be incorporating Trisalix in our discussion, but we've already designed a 3D consult where we give you a very, very clear idea of what you're going to be after the procedure. We are going paperless. We care for the environment, and now we're trying, our endeavor is to make the entire process entirely paperless. We're creating these two unique concepts: a patient dashboard, where we are creating a program where every conversation and photograph, surgery videos, etc., consent forms, etc., are stored in a file which is accessible to you as well as us. And this is going to be there for your life, and your Gmail username password is the password to access that file. We're also incorporating help desk, wherein an app is going to be installed on your phone, and you can just press that app, enter your detail, and we will then get back to you. So you don't have to wait for someone to call you. Just press go via the app. Now, moving to breast implant surgery, so I'm going to be addressing some common questions. How safe is it? 100% safe. Breast implant surgery is absolutely safe. If there's a young girl, she can easily breastfeed, and someone older, there's absolutely no chance of cancer at all. Longevity with the brands such as Motiva and Sebi, it's absolutely guaranteed for life. For life, your implants are there, and the company, in fact, gives you a barcoded card, which, if something goes wrong with the implant, they replace the implant free of cost. The absolutely natural feel. I feel Motiva has slightly more natural feel to it. We use these two brands. They come with lifetime warranty. Common problems can be capsular contracture, which occurs after long years, and they can easily be prevented by regular massage. Apart from that, it's very comfortable. Patients get back to their office within 2 days. Why should you, as a patient, consider us as your center of choice? We understand what a patient suffers, what is their pain, we understand their emotion. We want to transform the way you look and the way you think, and therefore totally transform your life. 25 years of experience, skilled surgery, high precision, fast recovery. You get back to your normal life so much faster. We are three plastic surgeons, very, very good planning, good intraoperative step management, precise planning, faster procedure, and therefore it helps you recover so much faster. We use the advanced level of instrumentation, which is probably not easily available with most centers in India. And these are all Brazilian instruments that I've been using. My technique of doing Brazilian way of breast implant using subfacial breast augmentation is a very, very interesting technique. I'm going to talk of it in a few slides. Now, the great thing is, when you do a procedure, the implant palpability is very less. You get great projection. The rates of capsular contracture are next to nil. We've also innovated the Divine 2 natural procedure. This is just too natural indeed. So we do a composite fat injection along with the breast implant, and that is something which we've been doing, and it's been producing great, fabulous results. How do we select breast implants? Now, see, everybody needs, their needs are different. So someone may need a large implant, someone may need just a very small implant comes in various size and shapes. So for example, if we were to just choose a 300 cc breast implant, you can see this is flat and this is high, yet both of them are 300 cc. This is a low profile, this is an ultra high profile. So if someone wants a large projection and is small chested, we do an ultra high profile breast implant for them. Now, if someone wants, so what that means is you can actually get a large chest with a large breast implant, even with a small base diameter. So this is how we select breast implants. We've posted a video on the next slide, so you can see that in detail. But look at this. So if your base diameter, what is the base diameter? It is the size of the, so if we measure the base diameter here, between the breast, this is the base diameter, and this is the base diameter of the implant. So if your base diameter is say 12.5, whatever it is, we get different projections at different sizes. So ultra high, you can get 400 cc, and normal small low profile, you can actually get a 275 cc. It depends on how high do you want to go. For example, if you want to fix your size at 300 cc, then it may be a low profile or a high profile. So you can see the difference in centimeters. This is how we calculate the measurements. See this video if you want to understand in detail. The Chrysalix program is something we are incorporating into our practice very soon. And sitting at home, just send us your pictures, and for a very small fees, we will be able to give you an idea of how you're going to look with different sizes of implants. Now, the surgery itself, it can be done through an inframammary, which is our preferred approach, going just under the breast, can be combined with other procedures such as liposuction of the arms, face, or face procedures, thighs, etc. General anesthesia, 30 to 35 minutes. Subfacial, the procedure takes only this much time, and in just about an hour, you're back into your room, and 3 to 4 hours later, you're back home. Stitches are all dissolvable. Recovery is only 1 or 2 hours. We don't put a drain. The pressure garment, you just need to wear a sports bra, something like what this girl is wearing. And at the end of 7 days, you can actually get back to biking, exercise, sports. So second day, you can actually start walking around, you can go to office, malls. Activities such as sexual activities can start by 3 weeks' time. These are the three approaches conventionally done. The world generally does inside the breast or below the muscle. What we like to do is the Brazilian way, which is the subfacial approach. And using this approach, we found that this has produced the best results for us. Difference between inframammary, areolar, and axillary, that where do we start? Do we give the incision just below the breast, around the areola, or in the axilla? I don't prefer these two because higher chances of infection, the scars can tend to actually show. With the axillary, the difference in terms of the sizing on both the sides can be actually different. So where 30% of breast implants across the globe with transaxillaries have been shown to have some sort of placement difference. So I don't prefer that. Inframammary leaves hardly a visible scar at all and is the most direct and the preferred way for breast implants. The cost depends on the type of implant, the quality of the implant. Of course, the best quality implants are expensive, 1.3 to 2 lakhs. We don't recommend the Chinese, but it can be done for 87,000 to 1.25 lakhs. And the Divine 2 natural procedure is between 2 to 2.25 lakhs. Now, in this video, you can see that later I've showcased some of the results that we've been able to produce. Fat injection, this is a video which describes how fat injection is done. So that is an option for people who do liposuction and want to utilize the fat in their breast. This video in just a minute showcases the entire surgical procedure and what do you have to do next. Now, I understand that you may still be having some questions, so I've tried to answer a lot of them. I'm going to be putting some slides below this slide of videos of FAQs as well. So we're going to do that. So that will help you. You can also visit my YouTube channel to understand further. It's by the name of Dr. Amit Gupta, plastic surgeon, or Divine Cosmetic Surgery at gmail.com. So you can search for my YouTube channel. And if you want to fix up a consult or a 3D consult, just call or WhatsApp on this number. If you want to book surgery, you can message us on this number. Want to check out my profile for all my social media and what we do in very short, just click this and you will get to my profile. So I'm sure this presentation has been helpful to you, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you. If there's anything, just email us, call us, and I'm sure we'll be able to really help you get through and actually start transforming your life.